Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can mark complete any order confirmation or any purchase order or any document. So initiator document can be marked complete. What is the use of mark complete? So whenever we place any order or whenever we receive any order, and suppose a partial delivery have been done. Now no further delivery need to be done, so we need to short close it. In industrial language, in industry it is called as short closing of any order. How you can do it on TranZact? So first of all, let us go to our sales and purchase module, click on browse modules and click on sales purchase. Now, this is a list of all my documents. So suppose this is one of my order confirmation, which I want to short close it. Click on this. Now, once I will open it, I need to go and click on OC and open the order confirmation. Initiator document can be marked as complete. Now, once I will come to the order confirmation page, on your left hand side in the very bottom, please check there is an option of mark as complete. Click on this. Once I clicked on mark as complete, what changes made in the system? So the transaction status got updated and the document and this particular transaction is short closed. Let's go back in the transaction timeline, and this is one of the transaction. Please check. Once I open it, please check the invoice is created and goods is delivered. It will not show you partially created, partially delivered. That means that this particular transaction is short closed. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and short close any purchase order or any sales transaction. Have a good day ahead.